In this video, I will show you how to add your Cash App card to Samsung Wallet. Open Samsung Wallet and go to the option to add a payment card. You can either scan your card or enter the details manually, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. However, many users find that even after entering the details correctly, the Cash App card is not accepted. This happens even if your card is active, verified, and working on other platforms. If you check inside Cash App, there is also no option to directly add your card to Samsung Wallet. This is different from other wallets like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. As of now, Samsung Wallet does not support the Cash App card because it is not treated like a traditional bank card. Because of that, the card cannot be added directly. One possible workaround is linking your Cash App card to a service like PayPal and then using that inside Samsung Wallet, but this method is not always reliable and may not work for everyone. So at the moment, there is no direct way to add a Cash App card to Samsung Wallet unless support is added in the future. If you are already using apps like Cash App and digital wallets, you can also explore simple ways to earn extra money online during your free time. Some platforms reward you for testing apps or completing small tasks. You can check the link in the description to sign up to Free Cash for free and start earning online.